Okay, so good morning, everyone. We are going to talk about, I'll just wait for a few more minutes and we'll touch base on drafting smart contract. And particularly, we have to, for next 20 days, as I talked about yesterday, that we are going to negate everything in terms of whatever code has been done, take it just as null and void uh, to tackle the big problem of the dark web. And in this dark web, a lot of intellectual companies are involved. A lot of intellectual minds is going into drafting the dark web contracts. So we're going to talk about smart contracts and stuff. And particularly, the focus would be on. Okay, just give me a moment. I think this is okay. So we are going to talk about. So just give me a few more moments. Let people chime in. So I'm going to walk you through, and this even I'm going to share some sample codes for people to do the coding for the smart contracts and the work which we are doing right now. So I'll do it simultaneously, so it's easy for people to understand. Although we are using the hash 256, we can always change the hash for the blockchain. So we are going to change the hash here. So we would be drafting, and I'm going to share the code for a smart contract where we are excluding particular numbers. And the particular numbers which we are excluding right now is number 29 and number 30 for next 20 days. So you can always, I mean, just exclude this and utilize in different scenarios, different ballpark figures to understand and create those bandwidth equations for the telecommunication sector also it's applicable. So first of all, we'll discuss about what are smart contracts. So these are powerful tools, and people who really understand smart contracts, for that matter, I'm not going to discuss again, but it has to have some logic. So I have been exploring this for quite a while and was going through the data sets, and few numbers were standing out. There's a lot of, you know, number game which is being played right now, and it's not only played by a particular section of the society. On a whole, a lot of folks are playing around the number 29, number 30, and another number which is obviously this 10-minute game. I'm not getting into it. So 10, 100,000, 10,000, it's the easiest way to code. So we are not getting there, but what we are trying to understand and demystify is the numbers, at least maybe in a small chunk of containers, so that we are able to understand better. So the number 29, 30 for the next 20 days. So why are we even doing this? I'll try and explain. And particularly also, I haven't talked about it, but I would rather exclude 29, 30, 56, because 5 and 6 in chain is being utilized maybe in a 10-digit mobile number, wherever you see that. So numbers you have to exclude is 29, 30, and 5, 6. 5, 6 in any series has to be excluded from the coding process. And particularly, in Bihar, we are having this voting process right now. So a lot of number game is being played around these numbers. So look into that aspect. You have to do the I'd rather say have your own LLM models and then try and see what is happening, and particularly in Bihar. So we are taking the time period. I'll just time period is equal to timestamp. Validate input to ensure 29. I'm including 56 also, and also 9312. So that means 93 is another number, 9312. Okay, validate inputs to ensure are not used during the time frame, and particularly for the number which are angel numbers, maybe it's 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, um, and all these numbers, you have to look into the impact. Take all the angel numbers as 27. I mean, 11 is equal to 27, 22 is equal to 27, 33 is equal to 27, 44 is equal to 27, 55 is equal to 27, 66 is equal to 27, 77 is equal to 0. Or rather, take 77 is equal to 11. So there can be two scenarios here. 77 is equal to 00, which means whatever ones want to, in whatever situation you're trying to resolve an issue using a smart contract. 88, again, similar concept. I'll talk about the element list. So I'm be providing the Solidity code example. Blah blah blah. Da da da. Check check check. So yes. So I think I'll share the codes which I think might be of some assistance. Unknown caller. So I'll be coming online again and talking about it in detail. But in the meantime, just use these codes and see what you can do. And particularly look into the Bihar elections right now.